How often do you actually wake up feeling energized? And how many times a week you wake up without hitting the snooze button? It's so demotivating to go to bed early but still wake up feeling exhausted. But don't be tensed. It's not your fault, and you can fix this problem with this step-by-step guide in this video. You feel tired in the morning due to a number of facts. There are some habits you must check. With some changes, you can wake up well rested and energized in the morning. You can apply these 5 steps to wake up feeling energized in the morning. Okay, let's begin. Number 1 step is forget about the snooze button. The snoozing effect actually makes you more tired, and it's not beneficial, rather than it harms your energy. Wondering? Don't worry, I'll explain the actual science behind it. One sleep cycle consists of 90 minutes. When you hit snooze, in order to enjoy 5 more minutes of sleep, your alarm wakes you up in the middle of your sleep phase, which will leave you feeling even more sluggish and tired. To solve this, you can use an app called Sleep Tracker. This app wakes you up at the end of your sleep cycle. It's a free app and you don't require any sign-ups. There are so many free and paid apps there. You can try different apps to find the best solution for you. Actually, these sleep apps wakes you up at the end of your sleep phase. Similarly, Sleep Tracker tracks your movements during the night, and the alarm only goes off at the end of your sleep cycle. This will leave you much more energized than waking up in the middle or at the start of your sleep cycle. And the number 2 step is optimal sleep. Every person's sleep requirement is different, but we never try to find out the number of hours we need to sleep in order to function properly. To achieve optimal sleep hours, we need consistent time daily to go to bed, and similarly, we need to wake up almost at the same time every day. This way, our body gets into rhythm and we can wake up naturally at the end of a sleep cycle every single day. This will also help us to find out the amount of sleep we actually need. If you want to find out how many hours you personally need to wake up refreshed, then go to bed at the same time every night for a week. Wake up without an alarm and write down the number of hours you slept every night. After 1 week, you will have enough data to find out the best time to go to bed, and you will be able to see how many hours you need to sleep to wake up refreshed. Tip number 3 is rehydrate with water. Drinking water right after you wake up is crucial to get yourself hydrated. It's better to always place a glass of water beside your bedside and drink it right after you wake up. This will rehydrate your mind and body as soon as possible. Oftentimes, when you feel tired in the morning or in the afternoon, it's because of dehydration. So instead of tea or coffee, firstly drink water. Tip number 4, light exercise. You must do light exercise after waking up. It's a myth that exercise can increase fatigue. Rather, it expands and increases your energy. But remember, this exercise shouldn't be tough or extreme, but light exercise such as simple walking in the nature or cycling, etc. You can do an experiment yourself. If someday you're so tired to do anything, get up and just walk around the room, and in a couple of minutes you will feel some energy that wasn't there before. And now it's time for a bonus tip. Avoid blue light before bed. You must try to avoid all kind of TVs or mobile phones at least 1 hour before going to bed, because they all produce artificial blue light. Blue light is bad for your health because it tricks your mind into thinking that it's daytime. Remember, when it gets darker outside, your body naturally produces a sleep hormone called melatonin. And artificial blue light blocks melatonin production, and therefore body doesn't send signals to the cells that it's nighttime. Ideally, you should avoid any screens 2 hours before going to bed, but if it's not possible for some reason, then at least restrict the usage 1 hour before you intend to sleep. I hope you will follow at least some of the tips to get a better sleep and energized mornings.